Hey friends, it's Rebecca here. Hey, and I have a wonderful opportunity in this video. I get to show you a new device that was sent to me so that I can review it and unbox it and show you how it goes. And it's a very unique opportunity. This was actually on my wish list for a long time. I've been following them on social media, and I entered a contest and was chosen as one of 10 participants to be able to do this. You'll hear more about the contest as we go. It's a very cool opportunity. And this video, we're going to do the unboxing and try it out and make sure it works with my phone. And I get to show you all that and tell you what I think. And so this is the Picxut photo sticker printer, the Picxut S1. And so not only does it print photos, it will print stickers and then even cut out the stickers. And not just rectangle patterns either. It will cut around the sticker patterns. So very, very neat, and I can't wait to try this and show you how it goes. So this video, we're going to do the unboxing. There will be a few more videos to come, and you'll hear more about the contest. So thanks so much. Let's take a look and see how the unboxing goes. Okay, so the unboxing was actually very easy in setting it all up. So I'm going to end up doing this a little bit fast forward here for you. And so as we took it out of the box, it was super nice and snug, and then there were several places that have tape on them. And so you just remove that tape. And so everything looks like it shipped just fine. This compartment on the side is for the ink cartridge, and you'll notice in the box that we have some sample packs of paper, 2 different sizes, and then also this ink cartridge. And just take your time with the ink cartridge. It only fits in one way, so just make sure you look at it and make sure it looks like it's lined up correctly before you start to push it in. And so you will know when it's in correctly. It will just slide right in and then click into place. And then here we have the paper tray, which is also taped up nicely. And I'm going to start initially with the photo paper, the 4x6 photo paper. And so we just unwrap that, and then it's really easy to slide into this paper tray. The paper tray unfolds from the bottom when you have it pointed like this, up here in the corner, and so that lever it folds in, and so if you're putting in the so it folds in, but if you're putting in this shorter paper, this is the 4x6 photo paper, if you're putting in the shorter paper, you just leave it like it is, and then you just close the lid and everything is nice and snug, and you can put it back in the slot. Now, here's the other thing that I noticed as I was doing this. There's actually a slot up above, and then whenever you go to print, the paper tray will go down below. And so as I was looking at these instructions, I realized, so there's the slot, you pull it out of the slot for storage, and then as you go to do the print, you'll take it out of the storage slot and then just make sure that your tray is lined up correctly with the feeder there. And so this will stick out, but you'll know when it's in correctly because it will fit nice and snug, and it will be right next to the little roller there to be able to feed the paper in. So I had to, get it flat on my table and then just set that in place. So do be aware of that. The rest of this is very straightforward. We've got our power cord, and so the connection for that comes out the side of the printer, and it's a nice long cord, so that worked out great. And so we've got our ink cartridge, our paper set, we've got our power, and so I'm turning it on. And it just it will take a few seconds to turn it on. You press and hold the button, and then you will hear it inside getting prepared. All right, and then we've got a QR code to scan with our phone so that we can get to the correct app. And the app had me put in my email address, and it sent a confirmation code, so I'm doing that off screen. But then once I get that all set, we're back here on screen, and it runs through their little splash screens here, and just some basic permissions that are needed, so all of that gets turned on. And then it will connect via Bluetooth to the device, And it just took it a few seconds there to pair, and I'm okaying that pairing of the device, and it shows up as a meaningful item in the list there, so you know that you've got the correct Bluetooth connection going. And it actually went very quickly and very smoothly the very first time. So a very, very good Bluetooth connection. And then here I am in the app for the very first time. And I will definitely need to come back and explore. But I really was blown away about all the artwork that's there already that you can choose from, and different types of artwork. So for instance, they have some of these individual images, and it defaulted to our current season. So fall is just around the corner, so it defaulted to some fall images. And so I've selected a few and put them on the workspace there. And then I'm just kind of exploring to see what else I can choose to fill up the space. So there's individual pictures, but then they also have some built-in themes where they will have the whole sticker sheet for you. And so I went in and just looked at a few of these. Again, this is the first time I've done any of this, so a lot of exploring in here. And so this was a pre-built sticker sheet, and once I realized that that was a pre-built sticker sheet and it was going to try to set up a brand new project for me, I kind of went back to just selecting individual stickers. So I navigated through here a little bit more. I looked at some of the animals, and certainly there's some great cat images, and so those are a lot of fun. So I got a cat image and another flower image, and then just rearranged them a little bit so that they'll fit nicely. And then it gave me a warning. It said to be sure we had the correct picture, the correct paper size. So I did have to replace and go to the 4x7, but that was super easy to replace the paper. And then here we go, my very first print. And the first thing that it's going to do is transfer all the things that you have selected to the device to get it ready for printing. And that did take just a little bit of time there. I have an old phone, and so it's kind of probably was a slow connection, but at any rate, it will take some time to transfer. And it does tell you on the screen how that's going. And so I stopped videoing just for a little bit there, and then came back, and then the transfer was finishing. And then here we have the printing, and lo and behold, it spits it out towards the right hand side as it goes through the phases of the print. And so it lays down the first color, and then it comes in with the second color. And then I think I'm going to end up dropping the phone here. It came off of my stand, but then it goes through a third color, and then there will be kind of a glossy finish. Yeah, so I apologize about my phone a little bit there, but I wanted to get some good close-ups for these images too. So it does give you good feedback on the phone of what it's doing as it's printing each layer. And then the lights on the device are really pretty. There that shows you the indication light that it's working, and so then it's coming through this final print. So it's very cool to get to see it lay down all the ink colors one by one to produce the final image. And then the final image is going to come out the left hand side, but then it's going to take it back up for the cutting. So again, there is a cutting tool in this little printer setup. It's just very compact and organized well. So you get to see it do the print layers on the right, and then on the left it's doing the print, and then the final output of the sticker sheet is going to be here on the left. And I'm really impressed by the quality of the artwork that comes with the device. You know, so many of these devices, they make you pay extra for the really nice images, or you know, it just doesn't have very nice default images. Certainly we'll be able to use our own images, but the quality of the images that you can choose from is really excellent. I was very pleased with the options for the built-in images. And so here we go. We've got 6 different stickers here. I probably could have fit in maybe 1 or 2 more. but that will take some experimenting on my part to see how to maximize these sheets. I know we can change the border for how thick the border you want around the image, but all in all, this was just in a few minutes. You've got your choice of stickers and you can combine them on the sheet, and it's just so cool. So the unboxing has gone super easy, and we've got super nice stickers to choose from with a nice glossy finish. And so then I'm going to go grab my calendar so I can put one of these stickers in it. But um, very nice selection of images. I love the fact that it defaulted to our current season of images. And then I will definitely go back and explore some of the built-in sticker sheets where they have them all laid out for you. But so far a success, and I'm so excited to explore and try other things with the Picxut S1. And I will definitely be trying some of my own images and photos soon, so stay tuned. There will be information down below for a link with more info, and then that is also an affiliate link, so I really appreciate your support there if you are interested in purchasing. But thanks so much for watching, and I'm so excited to explore this device further.